Super Crew, guess where I am? Can you see Blizzard? Yeah, this place is awesome. So anyways, about to meet up with a couple friends of mine. But before doing that, show you a couple banners. Why? Because that is awesome. This is the courtyard. And I want to show you one of the other badass banners right there. From the time that I've walked into Blizzard Entertainment to the time that I walked out, I had nothing but a fantastic time. I really enjoyed the artwork, the respect and acknowledgement that goes from the company to its employees. A lot of the accolades that are here obviously are for the company, but outside of that, they really acknowledge the people that work there. And as you'll see later on in the video, a lot of the awards that are there are actually towards the staff as opposed to the company, because without the staff, there is no company. I really enjoyed looking at how they have incentives to for people that are working there, and the incentives that they have, obviously, for us to see here in the museum are amazing. The artwork that goes behind it, craftsmanship, the love and the passion that you see in this, I think, is something that gets overlooked a lot when people don't know from the outside. Whether you're a gamer or not, it's amazing. The museum here, going and showing anything from the props to just pieces coming from different installments, whether it be from game or film, is amazing. A huge thank you to everybody that's involved in these projects, whether it be World of Warcraft, Overwatch, Diablo, doesn't matter. One of my favorite characters here is actually her costume that you can see here in the video, and that picture above is awesome. I wish there was a Widowmaker up here, or Soldier, but slow burn. Maybe they'll have it up for next year. But I really like the awards that were given to the employees. I have it labeled as the second epic wall of awards here because they are awesome. The crown is for 25 years, if I'm not mistaken. It's heavy. It's an actual crown. I don't think anyone has been brave enough to put it on, just because it'd be hard to keep your neck up straight. But thank you for giving me the time to come and see the studios, walk through, see the museum, the campus, and things of that nature. To my friends that are there, you guys have been doing an amazing job. Keep up the good work. Love you so much, and keep up the good work. We'll be supporting, whether in Japan or in the States, and hope to see you soon. Okay, seriously, seeing this statue when you walk in into the building, outside of it just being terrifyingly cool, the art and the detail that's gone into this is mind-boggling. Having this in anyone's entrance, whether it be a company, a house, or whatever, is pretty amazing. I loved it. Coming up after this, there will be a plaque showing you some information for Terrell and things of that nature. But one of my second favorite things that are up here, Teresa, she looks cool. You know, whether it's this version of her that is at least 3.5, 4 times taller than me, going down to the small version that you see later on in the shot after this. This is me and Tracer. Hey, what's up, girl? And then this is the one I'm talking about. This version is so cool. I like how they did the light, and yes, of course, personal favorite, date night with Runner, and then the crown. It is amazing. These are the awards that are on the back wall behind me that are given to the employees for their good service. And these are 2 shots from the mall that was down the street, Spectrum Mall, which I enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon, and as always, keep it super.